Before scrolling past this, watch it first. Some of these gadgets are insanely clever, some will change something real in daily life, and one of them was announced 4 days ago in London and goes on sale August 7th. 13 new Amazon gadgets. So insane they should be illegal. Every single one available right now. Not concept hardware, not prototypes. Real products with links waiting in the description. If discovering gadgets before everyone else is what keeps someone watching, hit subscribe. Let's jump in. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. Announced July 22, 2026 in London, on sale August 7th. This is the first time Samsung has launched two Z Fold phones simultaneously, and the Z Fold 8 is the surprising one. Instead of continuing the tall, narrow book design, it introduces a widescreen format that makes the phone feel like a BlackBerry Passport when closed and a widescreen tablet when opened. 7.6-inch inner display, Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, up to 1 terabyte storage, 16 gigabytes RAM, Android 17 with 7 years of guaranteed software updates, starts at $1,900, the foldable that finally makes the format feel inevitable rather than optional. RingConn Gen 3 Smart Ring, $314. Smart rings earn their appeal by disappearing into daily life. No bulky watch to sleep in, no charging anxiety, just quiet tracking worth checking each morning. The Gen 3 is the world's first smart ring with vascular health insights, analyzing multiple physiological signals to reveal cardiovascular trends during daily wear. Blood pressure insights coming via software update. Built-in vibration module delivers real-time health alerts directly on the finger without needing a phone nearby. A feature not currently used by the Oura Ring 4 or the Samsung Galaxy Ring. 14-day battery life, 5 jewelry-grade titanium finishes, no subscription fees, ever. The ring that doesn't just track health, it talks back. DJI Mic Mini 2S, 10 grams, barely visible when clipped to clothing. Yet inside that tiny body is everything a creator actually needs on location. 14.5 gigabytes of onboard storage recording independently even when the receiver signal drops. 32-bit float capture protecting audio from distortion at any volume spike. Quad-channel support for 2 speakers simultaneously. AI noise cancellation removing background interference automatically. The lightest wireless microphone that records independently of its receiver. For solo creators, field journalists, and anyone who has ever lost crucial audio because a connection dropped at exactly the wrong moment. Baseus Bowie MC2 open-ear earbuds, $79.99, 5.1 grams per earbud, Cloud Comfort 2.0 air cushions in 3 sizes wrapping around the ear without plugging into it, 11mm tri-magnet dynamic drivers, LDAC high-res audio, Bluetooth 6.0, 4-mic AI clear calls, IP67 waterproof, 55-hour total battery with the case, Grammy winner recommended audio. The first sign these are doing their job is when they get forgotten about entirely. Daisy 1. Headphones, $399. Most premium headphones compete on noise cancellation specs. The Daisy One leads with something different entirely. Still mode, a physical button that plays onboard nature sounds and breathwork directly from the headphones without a phone, without an app, without any connectivity required whatsoever. 45-hour battery, ANC transparency mode, USB-C and 3.5mm wired options both included. Physical dial controls replacing touch panels entirely. 3 finishes that look genuinely unlike anything else in the premium headphone category. The headphones built for people who want to stop, not just listen. DJI Neo, $199, 135 grams, launches from a palm. No runway, no space, no setup time. 4K video with AI subject tracking that keeps people centered in the frame automatically regardless of movement speed or direction. Voice commands, motion controls, multiple quick-shot cinematic modes, full propeller guards for safe indoor use. The drone that fits in a jacket pocket and produces footage that looks like a professional crew showed up, under $200. Halfway through 13 new Amazon gadgets, so insane they should be illegal. Subscribe, notifications on. Drop in the comments which gadget so far would actually change something in daily life. Let's keep going. Insta360 Ace Pro 2 Arctic White, 8K video, 50 megapixel photos, dual AI chip, Leica engineered lens, pure video mode for dramatically improved low-light footage, Active HDR, flip touchscreen, horizon lock, waterproof without any case required. The Arctic White colorway is the first version that looks as premium as the technology inside it. For anyone who has ever watched footage back and wished it looked more like what was actually seen in the moment, this is the camera that closes that gap permanently. Polaroid Go Gen 3, $89.99. The instant camera that started as nostalgia has quietly become the most social object at any gathering. Deeper set lens for sharper images, stronger flash built specifically for bars, parties, and campouts, up to 15 film packs per charge, 5 color options, world's smallest analog instant camera, prints a physical photo in seconds, gets passed around a table, argued over, and stuck to a refrigerator within 24 hours of being used. At $89.99, the gadget that gets more daily use than most things costing 10 times as much. Fitpolo AR-01 Smartwatch, $64.97. 1.3-inch AMOLED display hitting 1,000 nits of brightness, readable in direct sunlight, 466 by 466 pixel resolution, call handling from the wrist, 120 workout modes, 3 ATM water resistance, 5 to 7 days of battery life. For context, Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 costs $299, Apple Watch SE costs $249. This costs $64.97 and has a brighter display than both. The smartwatch that makes every other option in the $200 range look like an overpriced brand exercise. Sony Reon Pocket Pro Plus. Not a fan, not a misting device. A cooling plate that sits against the back of the neck and pulls heat away, while sensors adjust output automatically based on activity and surrounding environment. 20% stronger than the previous model, up to 15 hours on Smart Cool mode, completely silent, invisible under a collar, also warms in winter, making it useful every single month of the year. For commuters, travelers, and anyone who has ever walked into an important meeting soaked from summer heat, this is the device that makes that experience permanently avoidable. 13 gadgets, every single one available on Amazon right now. Which one is already going in the cart? Drop it in the comments. Every single response gets read. Hit like if this list showed something genuinely worth knowing about. Subscribe. New discoveries every single week. No filler, no repeated products, just gadgets worth talking about before they become obvious. Every link is in the description. All 18, ready when needed. And if this list delivered 20 genius Amazon car finds you didn't know existed is right there on screen. Don't skip it.